Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at EURJPY for this week. So before I actually get started, I want you guys to know that I've created a new Patreon account, right? So you can actually go there, subscribe, become a membership, right? In that channel, I'm going to be posting exclusive content like my own trade for the week, also trade for the day, and high probability trade. That is exactly what I'll be posting there. So if in case at the end of the month you actually don't get the value you want, all you just have to do is just cancel your membership, by the way. So I'm going to post exclusive content. If at the end of the month, right, you're not getting what you want, all you just have to do is cancel. So check it out. Now let's start with this euro JPY. We can see that this is an uptrend move. So we see something like then an ice, a pullback, then another movement upward, and we can take a look at a drop which you would see as a pullback that did not take out these lows, by the way. So another movement upward, and then a pullback has been made that still did not take these lows. So what we will be watching out for on euro JPY is a continuous impulse move. So this is the month of January, we've gone bullish, by the way. So price has gone up. So in the month of February, we would also expect similar movement, which is a bullish movement. Down to the weekly time frame, by the way. So price is actually rejecting at this level. We once had the rejection, but price break about a bit of this level, right? Once price dropped, came down to test this level, then price came up, right? Which we can still take this as a level, which is more visible on the daily time frame. We would look at it soon. Then there was the rejection here. You can see candlestick wick here. Then also kind of like a candlestick wick here, rejection, and now you can see that this bullish move. 2 weeks ago, we had a bullish move. 2 weeks ago, this week that just finished, we had a bullish move. Well, so this week that we are predicting for, same thing, a bullish move. So let's see if we can grab about 150 pips on this euro JPY. So what I'll be watching out for is a level of 142.400. I think we should watch out for that level this week on euro JPY. To my daily time frame, so I'm seeing something like this, a drop. So now I'll be expecting another movement upward. So like I said, at least we should be watching out for a level of 142.400, even possibly above the level. For even possibly a level of 142.600. So guys, so what kind of see, like, watch out for like an uptrend move this week. If you can hit a level of 142.400, then the next level I will be watching out for on EURJPY is a level of 142.600. So that is what I am watching out for. You can see a rejection that was made here. So a rejection was made there. So I expect EURJPY to come to give it this level and give us a rejection. Then to my week 4 hour time frame, so this is still a pullback level. So let's see if this pullback will end at a level of 140.6460. So if it can drop to a level of 140.460, then we will continue that movement upward to a level of 142.400. If it breaks above it, then the next level is 142.600 for the week.